Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn WebTable in Selenium. Okay, so firstly we have to know what is meant by WebTable. Earlier we know the only simple web table. Okay, so in MS Excel we are putting some values or some data in some table. This table is called a table. Okay, but this is a web table because we are using this URL. Using this URL, this web table is found. Okay, so see here, this is a head. Okay, this is a table head. Okay, so firstly we have to know HTML coding for the table. So let's go. Firstly inspect this page and click on this arrow and found the table. Okay, we have to found the table. So see here, this is a table. Okay, this is a table. In the HTML coding, tag name is always start from the table. Okay, tag name is always start from the table. So see in this table, so tr body, this is a tr, t body. In this t body, here is tr means what? It's a table row. It's a table row. See here, there are 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 rows. Okay, so see in the web table, 1 2 3 4 5, like that. Okay, so in that particular row, here is table head. Okay, here is table head means it's a column. 1 2 3. This 1 2 and 3, like that. In the this th means table head. Table head. And in this td, see here, td, it's a particular data of the cell. Okay, particular data of the cell. So see here, this is a td. Td means this particular data. Okay, in this each table tr, in this each tr, here is td is present because it's a particular data. Okay, so let's start our coding. How to handle this web table? Okay, how to handle this web table? So see here, I have already created a class in the WebTable package. Okay, so in this, firstly we have to launch the Chrome browser using system.setProperty. Okay, after that we have to maximize this window. Maximize this window, and after that we have to call the get method for the open a URL. Double quote and copy this URL from the web page and paste in get method. Okay, after that we have to firstly find out how many rows are present in our table. Okay, so here we have to find out firstly XPath for that. XPath for that firstly. Okay, so here is table, it's a tag name, and id, it's a attribute name, and web table, it's a attribute value. So find out firstly XPath expression. For that, forward slash table tag name in the square bracket at the rate attribute name, name is value equal to attribute value web table. Okay, after that close it. After that, here is XPath expression, our is correct, but we have to find out the row. Okay, we have to find out the row when we have to jump the tr from the this parent. So here we are use double forward slash. If we are use here only single forward slash, then we have to use table t body, after that tr. But I will jump directly table to tr, that's why here use double forward slash. Okay, so tr, here is number of rows are 5. So this expression copy from here and paste in our if place. Here we are number of rows we are found here. That's why we are use here find elements method. Okay, because more than one element. Expert expression in this double quote, we paste here this expression. Okay, complete this syntax, and this syntax we store in one reference variable, rows list equal to, and what is written? It's written list of web element. So firstly we have to comment here, get number of rows. Okay, so after that we have to print this row list. That's why we use system.out.println. In that we are using a number of rows. In this we find out row list using row list dot size. Rows list dot size. We have to print the size of the row. Okay, so see, after that close the browser, driver dot close the window. So run this program. After that this run, Chrome browser will launch. Chrome browser will launch. Maximize the window. Launch the URL. After that, close this browser. Okay, close this browser. See in our console, number of rows 5. Okay, number of rows 5. Means it's our expression is correct. So now we have to find out numbers of column. Okay, number of columns. So here also use driver dot find elements method. In this expert expression we have to find out firstly. So see, after that tr body, we have to find out this column. Okay, so here we use one single slash because we have to move parent to child frame, that's why. Okay, so here we use th. Okay, so here 3 columns are present here. So copy this expert expression and paste here. Complete this syntax. After that, this expression we have to save in one object, column list. Okay, and what is written? It's written list of web element. After that, we have to print number of columns. That's why here number of columns plus using the column list dot size method we have to call. After that, run this program and see in our cursor bar what we have to get out. Okay, so launch the Chrome browser, launch it, navigate to URL now and find out the columns and close it. Okay, see here there are number of rows 5 and columns are 3. Okay, so now we have to get particular data. Okay, we have to get particular data here. So here number of data present in this web table. So I want to get this search engine. Okay, this search engine cells we have to get it. Okay, so that's why firstly we have to find out this expert expression for that search engine. So inspect this search engine. Okay, inspect this like that. After that, inspect it here. Here are in the tier 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth tier. Okay, fourth row in third column. Okay, fourth row in third column. Third column means TD. Here TD in the square bracket, third column. Okay, now this one of one matching and particular data we are find out here. Okay, so copy this expression and here use driver dot find element. Okay, find element, because here only one web element we have to find out here. That's why we use here find element. So paste here expression this, and using the get text method we are get the particular data. Okay, we are particular okay, so data. So this expression we have to store in one object like text. Okay, text text equal to, and what is written, it's written a string. After that, using the system dot out dot println we can print the data. Okay, so run this program. Browser will launch. Maximize this window, URL launch, and close it. So see here, search engine. Okay, this is search engine. We get this particular data. After that, next one is we have to fetch all data present in the web table in cell. Okay, so like chair.tech, Google, Selenium Webdriver, social media, automation testing, all this data we have to print in our console. So how we can handle it? We can handle using the for loop. Okay, so firstly we have to comment here, comment get all data present in web table. Okay, so here we have to use for loop. In that for loop, firstly we have to use for row. Okay, firstly we have to fetch the row. For that row we are use r as a variable in this. See here, this is a head. Okay, first row is a head, but we have to fetch the data. It start from the second row. Okay, that's why here I use second. Okay, after that r less than equal to this row list, because we have to find out the size of the row list. That's why. So here use row list. Okay, dot size method we have to call here. After that r plus plus, because increase the row. Okay, so create the body for the for loop. After that we have to find out now columns. Okay, so here for the columns I use c as a variable name. Okay, so in this fetch the first column of the data. Okay, so see here, this is the first column of the data. Okay, that's why here I write a 1. Okay, so after that we less than equal to find out column list. Okay, we have to find column list dot call the size method. Okay, after that increase the column one by one step. Okay, so create for the body for the for loop. After that we have to fetch the individual data Okay, we have to fetch the individual data. For that, we have to create a expression driver dot find element. Okay, what find element, because here use only find element, because we have to use only single web element, means single cell, uh, uh, single cell present in the our web table. Okay, that's why. So here use XPath expression. In that, this expression I will copy from the row table and paste it. Okay, after that, here we have to create a square bracket, and that's after that close this, and in that double quote we use R, because we have to find out the row. That's why here I use the R plus, after that plus. Okay, and in forward slash, now we have to find out the in the column. Okay, for that we have to create under double quote C plus C plus. Okay, so this is the XPath expression, and we have to get the get text method. Okay, we have to call the get text method. Using this get text method, we can get the text of the web table in the cell. Okay, complete the syntax. So why we are use here like R and C? Because particular row and this particular column. See here, this is a particular row and this is a particular column. This row, this cell, we have to fetch the data. That's why we use this R and C. Okay, so this expression we have to store in the one difference variable data. And what is written? It's written a string. Okay, it's written string, and we have to print this using system dot out dot println and give input as a data. Okay, so now we have to run this program. Run this. Open the browser. Maximize window. Navigate to URL and fetch the all data present in our web page. Okay, and close it. Close this window. So see here what happened. So in invalid selector. So here we are missing some here. Okay, let's check me. Okay, here after the row we have to fetch the data, particular data. Here TD is missing here. That's why our program is not running properly. Now run this program and see. Now launch the browser. Launch it. Maximize window. Navigate to URL. Paste the data which is present in our web table and close it. So see here. Okay, now it's run properly. So see here number of rows 5, number of column 3, and this is a search engine. It's result from this, and this get all present data present in the get all data present in our web table from this. Okay, these are the our cells, okay, present in our web table. So like that we can handle this web table in our Selenium. Okay, so thank you for the watching video.